Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Alipearl Hair, and before I do that I want to show you guys what they sent me inside the box because it is a lot of stuff, you guys. So the first thing that I got were these 3D eyelashes, and then also this mirror, which I ended up using a lot in this video. It's such a cute mirror. And then of course the elastic melting band, which I use a lot, and the wig cap, which is an essential to a nice install, and of course an edge control brush, which I used a lot in this video. And then lastly they sent me some ear tapes and some extra elastics, so you can use the ear tapes to basically secure the sides to stop it from lifting. So yeah, this is pretty good as this is 100% glueless install. And this is what the wig looks like straight out the box, and you guys, this wig is absolutely amazing. The reason being is it is pre-plucked for you, it is pre-styled, it is pre-bleached, and it's also pre-cut, so you are literally not doing anything. They've even done the baby hairs for you guys. And I wanted to show you guys how perfect this lace is. I just had to put it against my skin so you guys can see just how flawless this lace is. This is before I've even done anything. I've not added powder to the lace, I've not added any makeup to it at all. This is just how the blend looks. You guys, I am telling you, this is probably my favorite wig that I've ever installed on myself. Just look how detailed these cornrows are. I could literally never in a million years do this by myself. It is so even and it just looks amazing. Like, it's definitely a flawless style. So yeah, here's me showing you guys again. The lace is pre-cut for you, so it just mimics your natural hairline. I didn't have to do nothing when it comes to cutting the lace or anything like that. Even like styling the baby hairs, as you guys can see, it's already curled in place for you, which I haven't really seen any other wigs do this before, so I thought that was really a nice touch. So when it comes to the wig itself, it's got really nice features. So it's got this band here which basically secures your wig. You can make it as loose and as tight as you want, and it's got little grips here, so it just basically nicely secures your wig. And then it's got the 3 combs here that you guys can see that will also secure your wig onto your head. So yeah, these are the features on this wig. I did want to mention as well that the hair is so soft, you guys. As you guys can see here, it is straightened for you. It's just such a nice feel. 100% human hair, as you guys can see. So it's definitely worth the purchase. Now when it comes to the install itself, this is probably the easiest part of this entire video, you guys. It is super easy, and this is exactly how I did it. Okay, so firstly I put my wig cap on, and then of course I went in with some powder that matches my skin tone, because the wig cap is a bit too light for me, my skin tone personally. This part is definitely optional, but I like to do this because it makes the hair blend in nice, so it just makes it look more natural, if that makes sense. And then after I put the wig on, and as you guys can see, I was pretty excited at this point because this wig was such a perfect match for me. As you guys can see, before adding any hairspray, any mousse or anything like that, this is what the wig is looking like. It's such a perfect match for my skin tone. I've not even added makeup to the lace at all. This is just how it came. I was so impressed. Just look at the size, you guys. This was such a perfect match for me. I did want to mention that my wig size, I got the cap in a size medium, so you can get a small, medium and a large, so they are so flexible when it came to the sizes. So the size were a little bit too big for me, so I did have to cut a little bit around my ears just so it doesn't cover my ears. So all I did was basically cut around my ears, just the smallest amount. It wasn't that much bigger, so I didn't need to cut a lot at all. It was a very quick and simple job. As you guys can see here, just a simple little snip of the lace, and that was it done. Now, as this is a glueless wig install, all I did was go in with some hairspray to secure the size of the wig. This just makes it a lot easier to stop any kind of lifting or anything like that. It just makes it a little bit more secure for you. But yeah, I didn't need to use any glue at all, so I just decided to use hairspray instead. And I'm telling you guys, it looked good. Like, it looked absolutely amazing. So after the hairspray, I wanted to basically lay the edges down a little bit. As you guys can see, they're already curl for me, so all I had to do is literally just swoop them, and that was that. Literally so simple. And there's me putting the elastic band on just to make this melt into my skin. So what I like to do is I like to blow dry my hair for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then after this I just leave the band on for like 20 minutes. This just lets the hairspray and the lace just nice, like just melts it nicely. But then before I did this, I went in with a hot comb just to basically lay down any flyaways that I got from blow drying the hair. This didn't take me time at all because the hair is already straightened for you. Now, they do give you some extra elastic bands just in case some of the elastics come off. For me, nothing came off. It was so secure. But say if you wanted to redo the style, you can literally do it with the extra bands. But for me, it was super secure. And I actually kept this wig on for a good few days without any of the bands snapping or nothing like that. So the style is definitely very secure. It's so beginner friendly for anyone that is new to wigs, new to styling wigs. Yeah, so this is also me showing you guys the ear tapes. So this is how it looks. It's double-sided, so you are very secure, and it's very thin as well, so it's not gonna show behind the lace. So I'm really excited to try this out and let you guys know how that looks as well. But yeah. And this is the final look, you guys. As you guys can see, absolutely melted into the skin. The fact that this is glueless is crazy. The fact that this was all hairspray is crazy. I didn't have to do nothing to this wig, pre-bleach it, pre-style it, pre-pluck it. That was all them. So I definitely recommend this wig from Alipearl Hair.